Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2008 Toyota Yaris and I'm going to show you how to update the clock on the car. Now the clock is found in the middle screen now and we're going to need to have our ignition on at least one click. So it will come on like this. Now it's nice and simple in this car. We've only actually got one button, which is this one here. So what you do is you go ahead and push that in for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. When you lift it off, you'll notice the hours is flashing. When it's flashing, you can tap the button more time to get it through to the desired location. So say if I want to go to 8 o'clock, go like that, leave it for a couple of seconds and you'll notice the minutes start flashing. Then you can go ahead and change this. So take it up to 8:30. Again, leave it for a couple of seconds. And now that's updated the time. Really simple in this car. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.